Hi folks, Lee Gerstenberger here with an interviewing insight that I'm calling employment agreements. Watch out. I can't tell you the number of times in recent weeks I've talked to folks that have had to sign employment agreements before going to work for a company. Well, that's a wonderful thing, and oftentimes means if you're signing an employment agreement that you're coming into an organization at a pretty high level. Be careful. A lot of times you're giving away freedom and flexibility on the back end. In particular, a lot of employment agreements come with non-competes. So make sure before you sign an employment agreement that you have it reviewed by counsel. Now, get an attorney involved in your job negotiations may give you a little bit of trepidation. But the fact of the matter is, if you're being asked to sign an employment agreement, you're probably also signing that you had the right to review it with an attorney. And if you have that opportunity and you don't do it, shame on you. I think you'll find that a company that wants you to sign an employment agreement is probably pretty used to having to talk to the attorneys of the prospective new employees. And usually they're pretty reasonable because after all, they want you, otherwise they wouldn't have had you sign an employment agreement to begin with. So just make sure you're getting some good advice, not just on the front end as it relates to compensation, benefits, start date, salary negotiations, that sort of thing, but on the back end, particularly if things don't work out or you have another opportunity that comes along down the road. You don't want to find that you wished you had talked to a legal counsel before you signed the agreement. Well, I hope you find that information helpful. I look forward to catching up with you in the near future. In the meantime, have a great week.